Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to find sources for a paper that you need to write. I am right now in Weaversite's library homepage, and I'm just going to come up here and use OneSearch to look for the first source, which is called An Empirical of the Financial Value of a College Degree, which I've already looked up, so I've got it right there. Click on that and it should take us to, okay, this one takes us right to the online, online article. And so all we have to do, it's by Bento Lobo and Lisa Burke Smalley. And yeah, there's that. So then if we come, let's go back. Where's the library? There it is. Back to the library, and we'll search for source 2. Is college worth it from The Economist? So you click on is college worth it, do a search, and this one isn't going to come up with this article right off the bat like the last one did. There is one that has the same name, but this isn't it. So I know that this one is from The Economist, which is a magazine, so I can come over here to content type and click on magazine articles to see if I can find it. And sure enough, there it is, the very first one. Is college worth it? Higher education in The Economist. Get rid of that. Okay. And then come back here to the home page and look for our third one, which is Why Public Education Should Be Free. And this one is an ebook by Robert Samuels. And it's going to pop up as the first one here, but in case it didn't, again, I could come over here and to content type, click on books or ebooks, and it's the first one, and this is the ebook that's here. And that is how you find, one way anyway, to find sources.